guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, launch date, and features will be featured here. So ready your phone to take a screenshot and kindly check with your CAs for availabilities and pre-orders. So I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Verie LV for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share the part 2 of the upcoming bag collections, Denim and Vernis reissue, that would be launching January 2024. Part 1, I would be linking on the description box below. Prices, SKU, features, launch dates are included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Alright, let us start first with the denim collection. First, we have the Cousin PM. Price is €3,500. So this is the new design from LV from the blue denim collection. Material is denim with Louis Vuitton monogram. It comes with canvas crossbody, gold chunky chain strap with gold hardware. Launching January 1st, 2024. Next, we have a carry all MM. Price is €2,800. It is a hobo bag style, and what I love, it comes with a detachable pochette. It comes with vachetta strap with ribbon tie for closure. Next, we have a Victorine wallet. Price is €700. We have SKU here. So this is a compact wallet and it comes with gold hardware. It also comes with the 90s style buckle closure. It has a zip compartment inside with card slot. Guys, how do you feel about the buckle closure? Please comment down below. Next, we have a zippy wallet. Price is €780. We have SKU here. This is a full-size wallet with full zipper closure. It has a zip compartment inside with multiple card slots. Next, we have a pochette Fairfax. Price is €1,800. We have SKU here. Guys, this measures 14 centimeters by 2.7 centimeters by 18 centimeters. This is a mini crossbody bag with detachable vachetta strap. Next, we have pochette heels. This one I really love. Price is €1,600. It measures 18.5 centimeters by 6.5 centimeters by 11 centimeters. This is a crescent-shaped shoulder bag with vachetta strap. One side of the strap can be unbuckled. Then we have Nano Speedy. Price is €2,200. This is a size Nano Speedy and it comes with a, take note guys, non-detachable pouch like a Victorine wallet in front. It comes with vachetta top handle and detachable strap with gold hardware. Then we have the on-the-go size MM. Price is €3,800. Still part of the blue denim collection that would be launching January 1st. So it comes of course with untreated vachetta top handle and shoulder strap. Guys, take note that the shoulder strap comes with gold studs and it comes also with vachetta trims. Then let us now focus on the Vernie LV Remix collection. First, we have the Nano Speedy. Price is $2,600. We have SKU here. So the color of this one is blue. It comes with pre-treated vachetta. And guys, kindly take note that it has a bag charm that is shape of a heart. Then we have the Redmi PM price is $2,970 USD. Material is Vernis or patent leather with vachetta trims. This is a tote bag with detachable vachetta crossbody as we could see here. And it comes with gold hardware with gold hair clamp that looks like Vivienne. Then we have the very cute Nano Alma, price is €2,100. The size is Nano for Alma. It comes with detachable vachetta strap. Guys, also are you seeing the heart bag charm? But please take note, the Alma Nano doesn't come with padlock, no keys, and no clochette as well. This collection is launching also January 1st, 2024. Then we have the full zippy wallet, price is €810. We have SKU here. Full size wallet. Guys, take note that the zipper po is a heart bag charm with zipper closure and multiple card slots inside. Next, we have the Pochette Malibu. Price is €1,950. Part of the Vernis Louis Vuitton Remix collection. It comes of course with the Vernis patent leather material with vachetta trims. This is a mini bag, guys, with detachable vachetta crossbody with again the gold buckle for closure. Then we have the Astor. Price is €2,500. It is a bucket bag style, and what's beautiful about this, it comes with two straps, both vachetta. We have a top handle and detachable and adjustable crossbody strap, and as we are going to see that the closure is magnetic type. Then we have another collection, Beautiful Speedy 20. Price is $2,570. We have SKU here. So this is from the Blue Hour collection. Material is the upfront leather and it features giant monogram and the entirety of the bag. It would come with gold hardware, gold padlock with detachable leather crossbody strap. Then still part of the Blue Hour collection, we have Never Full MM. Guys, the Blue Hour collection is also launching January 1st, 2024. So as you're going to see with the classic Never Full, it would also come with the fully detachable pochette. And we're going to see that it features the giant monogram print in the upfront leather. Then we have the Rosalie coin purse. Price is €390. We have SKU here. Material is upfront leather with monogram embossing. And this is a compact wallet with zip compartment insides and card slot. It also features gold hardware. Alright, the last bag, we have the Louis Vuitton Twist East-West bag. Price is €3,600. We have SKU here. So this is an East-West style of the classic Louis Vuitton Twist bag. The material is the epi leather. It features silver hardware with detachable leather crossbody and silver chain, launching January 1st, 2024. So this is the first iteration of the East-West Twist bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So what did you think of the up-and-coming bags from Louis Vuitton? If you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping cart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, what are your thoughts regarding the new collection? Are you adding anything to your wish list? Definitely, I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!